Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can add music to your notes. So you want to share your music or like that the music you have liked and now you want to share with your friends. So let's get started. Open up your Messenger app and logged into your account and then click on your note on the profile, and then you will see over here at the bottom right corner replace note. Or if you didn't have added any of the notes previously, so you will never find this option over here. But in case you have added, and you have to simply click on replace note, and then you will see this option over here. But in case you didn't add over here any note, so you will see this interface over here. So to do add your music over here, simply click on this music button and then choose over here the music over here that you want to add over here. Like you can simply search over here on the search bar and then simply click on that, and then it's gonna be added on your notes. So then your friends will listen that song on your note. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.